animals and hear their silly sounds. They're funny, loud, and oh so round. This is a llama with a fluffy face. He goes mmmm all over the place. This is a goat on a mountain high. He shouts meeeehh and waves goodbye. This is a duck in a big blue lake. He goes quack, quack, like he just woke late. This is a pig who rolls in the muck. He oinks and snorts and gets all stuck. This is a turkey who loves to wiggle. He gobbles and makes you giggle. This is a chicken who walks real quick. She goes bok, bok, bok and pecks with a pick. This is a frog by the lily pad. He ribbits and sounds so rad. This is a monkey up in a tree. He goes ooh, ooh, ah, just like me. This is a horse who loves to run. He goes neigh and thinks it's fun. This is a rooster who starts the day. He goes cock-a-doodle-doo in a noisy way. This is a seal who claps and barks. He goes arf, arf, arf in wiggly sparks. This is a peacock with feathers so fine. He goes why like he's out of time. This is a donkey who loves to play. He goes hee-haw in a silly way. This is a cat with a sneaky hiss. She goes meow or sometimes hiss. This is a hyena who laughs all day. He goes heh 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 and runs away. So many sounds and silly voices. Laugh with animals, make loud choices. Come back soon for more surprise with giggle songs and animal cries.